Ivy. My name's Sadie. Here, it's simple how to make oatmeal cookies. I'm 5 years old. Me too.
You too? Look. What are you guys making?
Oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal cookies.
Wait. Oh. Good.
Sugar.
Look.
1 cup sugar.
Pour it in.
Hey, you sneaker. Say, did you try some? Is it good?
1 egg. 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Go, Seiji.
1.5 cups of flour.
Slowly.
No.
When do you eat it? Now?
No.
When? Whoa, Seiji.
1.5 cups of oat.
How good is it?
Stir it, and then you stir it really up by hand. This is gooey. 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. And then you stir it really up by hand. You put them on the pan with circles.
What are you guys wearing?
Oh my gosh, look at my bikini. Oh my gosh, look at my bikini. So yeah guys, we just bought a big new pool. And
Sage, you okay?
And if you saw our video, we just made some cookies. If you saw our video, our cookies are just cooling right now. And if you didn't, we made a real watch it on YouTube because it is on YouTube. Bye.
On your mark, get set, Seiji, go! 1, 2, 3, Ivy, go! Run! Nice.
Sadie, go.
Go! 1, 2, 3, push! Come on! Knees high. And one more time. Knees high. Run. Good girl, Seiji girl. And back in the pool. Time for a rest. Resting in the pool.
Okay.
Oh, good one. High five, guys. That was really good running. High five.
Oh. Once cookies are cool, put them on a platter.
Beautiful.
Is it good?
Where
are you going?
I'm giving some cookies to my neighbor Sophia.
Oh my god, that smells so good. Oh, you know what? These guys won't eat it. No, they're not gonna eat it.